To lock a package from being automatically installed, updated, or removed, we can use apt-mark command. Let us mark or hold a package, for example udisks2. The locked package will remain as the same version even after you upgraded your system. This trick can be very useful while holding back graphics drivers. To check which packages are on hold, run this command. To unhold or unfreeze the package, just run this command. Please note that this method stops a package from being upgraded, but it can still be manually removed or reinstalled. Holding a package actually means you're telling the package manager to keep the current version no matter what, even if a new version is available. This method blocks installing, upgrading, or removing a package by setting its status in the package database. To freeze a package, run this command. To confirm it's locked, run this command. To remove the lock, execute this command. Use this if you want to completely block a package, even as a dependency. Open a new preferences file. Add the following lines. Save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl-O, Enter, then Ctrl-X. Open Synaptic Manager either from Unity Dash or Menu. Search and select the package you want to hold. Then go to Package from the menu bar and click Lock Version. That's it. Now, the package will not be touched during system upgrade as long as you kept it in hold. If Synaptic Package Manager is not installed in your system, you can install it using the following command.